So students, we already understood how to create the data frame, and with dictionary we can create the data frame. Now in this example I am creating the data frame with dictionary of dictionaries. So creation of data frame from dictionary of dictionary. So with this example, we can understood if we have more than one dictionary, so how you can create a data frame. So with help of more than one dictionary, you can create a data frame. So in this example, I have the data of year 2015, 2016 and 2017. There in 2015 I have the records of quarterly fees collection, second quarterly collection, third, fourth, as it is clear. So this is the collections of fee in 1, 2, 3, 4. As it is second year, I have the fees collection record of 1, 2, 3, 4 is this, and next dictionary have the records of 2017 like this, quarterly 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the dictionary. Clear? These all are record are stored into the form of dictionary. So this is the key and this is the value. So same values are there and different data. Clear? So these all are the dictionary. What? These all are the dictionaries. So how you can create with these dictionary a data frame? So you can see there is a this is the object name like KV fee. Clear? This is the object name, and there we created the column name like 2015 have year 2015 dictionary, and 2016 data frame object have year 2016 dictionary, and 2017 data frame object have year 2017 dictionary. So this is the object we created. Clear? And this is all the dictionary. This all are the 2D dictionary, and this 2D dictionary are stored into the KV file, KV fee object. Now we convert this KV fee object into the form of data frame. So simply you can create the data frame object. So first you will write the data frame object name. So this is the data frame object name like DTFE fee. Clear? So DT fee is a data frame object, and then you have to use the PD object dot data frame function, and this KV fee dictionary converted into the data frame. So that's why we have to call within this parenthesis. So this all record is converted into the data frame with name DT fee. So now we will execute it. So this is the presenting way. So you can use the print method or directly you can write it. So when we will write this, so we get the data. Clear? So there you can see the column name is 2015, 2016 and 2017 that we given it. Clear? And this is our records row wise. So here you can get an idea of how to index and column name have assigned. So this is the column name, means index is assigned. Clear? So this is a way to create of data frame from dictionary of dictionary. So more than one dictionary is also converted into a data frame. Into the previous example, we converted a dictionary into the data frame, but into this example we converted more than one dictionaries into a data frame. So you all note down this example into your notebook.